Saturday night at the Oldies Live, Joanna Garano on the Spreaker Network with you, jumping into our airtight vault to fill out our third and final hour worth of good time oldies, and we're going to kick it off again with another tributary Three Dog Night double play, commemorating the life of Corey Wells, who passed away earlier this week.
I will serenade you all along the way. I will serenade you anywhere you say. I'll take you to the country, I'll take you to the shore, show you to my garden. I know you make it grow. If you let me serenade, that's what you come for, so that I will serenade you. I'll wake you in the morning, I'm your sunrise high, your fire in the evening, when it blows outside. If you let me serenade you, you know that's what you come for, so that I will serenade you. And when the walls begin to fall, can't hold back the joy that love will conquer all. Every moment, every day, if you wanna hold me, I will stay. Let me serenade you. I will stay, my baby. If you wanna hold me, one more now. Everybody keep on clapping and singing. I'm gonna feel to love you, baby. I will serenade you. All along now. Whoa! Somebody singing the name. Woo! I will serenade you, baby. I will serenade you.
Saturday night at the Oldies Live, double Three Dog Night.
Want some whiskey in your water, sugar in your tea? What's all these crazy questions they're asking me? This is the craziest party that could ever be. Don't turn on the lights, cause I don't wanna see. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. That ain't the way that I find out. Open up the window, let some air into this room. I think I'm almost choking from the smell of stale perfume. And that cigarette you're smoking, I'll scare you up to death. Open up the window, sucker, let me catch my breath. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. That ain't the way that I find, son. That ain't the way that I find, son. The radio is blasting, someone's knocking at the door. I'm looking and my girlfriend, she passed out on the floor. I've seen so many things I ain't never seen before. Don't know what it is, I don't want to see no more. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. She said that ain't the way to have fun. Son, that ain't the way to have fun. No. Mama told me, mama told me, mama told me, told me. That's the way to have fun. Oh yeah, yeah. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me, mama told me, that ain't the way to have fun. No. That ain't the way to have fun. Son, that ain't the way to have fun. Look at you. That ain't the way to have fun. Son, listen to my body, listen to my that ain't the way to have fun. That ain't the way to have fun. Somebody say that ain't the way to have fun. No.
Saturday Night Oldies Live. Mama told me not to come. What an oldies she know. It's time for our Barroom Jukebox Classic. And we're going back to 1978. It's Dolly Parton.
Here you come again, just when I've begun to get myself together. You waltz right in the door, just like you've done before, and wrap my heart round your little finger. Here you come again, just when I'm about to make it work without you. You look into my eyes and lie those pretty lies, and pretty soon I'm wondering how I came to doubt you. All you gotta do is smile and smile, and there go all my defenses. Just leave it up to you, and in a little while you're messing up my mind and filling up my senses. Here you come again, looking better than a body has a right to, and shaking me up so that all I really know is here you come again. And here I go. All you gotta do is smile and smile, and there go all my defenses. Let's leave it up to you, and in a little while you're messing up my mind and filling up my senses. Here you come again, looking better than a body has a right to, and shaking me up so that all I really know is here you come again. And here I go, here I go, and here I go, and here I go. Here you come again, and here I go, here I go.
Saturday night at the Oldies Live. Welcome along, Joe Onick. Spinning them for you around the world, doing that rewind thing back to 1975. Here comes Tavares.